Here's how to fix Snapchat support code SS06. Now, let's just say you've been trying to log into your Snapchat account, but this code has popped up and you cannot get past this to log back in. I'm going to show you to fix it. Now, it's pretty simple. Now, the first thing we actually want to do is we're going to head over to settings. Now, once we're on the settings option of our phone, what we want to do from here is we just want to head over and actually scroll down and find where it says Snapchat. You just want to scroll down. You can see these are all my apps that I've downloaded on my phone right here. And once you've actually found the Snapchat app like so, you just want to click on it. It's going to bring you to this panel right here. And you can actually choose if your cellular data is on. You can either toggle this on and off, but another way to do this is an even better way, is you go to the very top and instead you just click on the general option, and from here you just click on the option iPhone storage. And once you click on iPhone storage, it's actually going to load you and show you all the information about all what is taking up the most data, etc. And we just basically want to click on the Snapchat app. Once this loads like so, we just scroll down and find where it says Snapchat, and then we click on the offload app option. Now this will basically reset the app completely and save all the data entirely, meaning you only have to log back into your account. And it's simple as that. As you can see when I go back, Snapchat is currently offloaded. But if we want to re-put this thing on our phone, we just click on reinstall. And as you can see, it's currently loading, but it's not quite loaded yet. But once it does actually re-download like so, you should be able to open it and be all good, and you can easily log back in, and you should not have this SS06 error. And it is simple as that to fix this. If you found this video helpful, leave a like down below. We're trying to be the most subscribed egg on YouTube, so subscribing would mean a lot. Thank you for watching and have a great day.